Hello guys, today I got this projector HDMI adapter which could project my phone on the wall or screen through the projector. As you can see, I got two types of this. This one is for iPhone only, and this one is for iOS and Android system, both. Today I got an iPhone, so I'm going to show you this one. Let's open the bag. Here we got the user manual and the PROJECTOR itself. It's very easy. All I have to do is plug it into my projector and connect this USB port to my power adapter and connect it with my phone. I have connected it with my phone and the projector now. When you first use it, there would be a pop-up on your phone screen to ask you if you can trust it. Then we select trust it. So here we got, we can see my phone. It's on the wall now through the projector. So I can show you all my apps and videos and pictures through the projector. I think it's very easy to use and it's very convenient for me. I like it very much. Thank you.